Android 17 Beta 3 update available for Google Pixel devices. Works only on Google Pixel 6 and newer devices. If your Google Pixel device is running Android 17 Beta, you need to download and install this latest system update. You can also enroll via Android Beta program or manual OTA sideload. To check for the software update on your Pixel, open the app drawer and tap Settings app. Scroll down and tap System. Tap Software Updates at the top. Tap System Update. You can see the Android 17 Beta 3 available for your Pixel. Update size is 3.53 gigabytes. Download and install this latest update, and next video I'll explain what's new in Android 17 Beta 3. Thanks for watching.